Hello everyone. I am Vinoth. Today we are going to see the history of Unix and Linux. Okay. In 1965, Bell Laboratories joined with MIT and General Electric in development effort for the new operating system. Then we came to 1969. AT and AT was unhappy with the program and dropped out of the analytics project. Then 1971, the system, wait a minute, okay, right. The system runs on PDP-11 with 16 KB of memory, including 8 bytes for user program. Unix caught on among programs because it was designed with these factors. These factors. We first see the features. Okay. The program environment, simple user interface, a simple utility that can be combined to perform powerful functions, hierarchical file system, simple interface to device constructed with the file format, multi-user, multi-processing, architecture depends and transfer to user. Then these are the years to form the history of Linux and Unix. Finally, we see that at last 1996, International Data Corporation forecast that in 1997 there will be 3 million Unix systems shipped worldwide. Then we go to inside the Unix. There are three. There are three steps inside the Linux: kernel, shell, and utility. Okay, we all know what is kernel. The core of the Unix system. This is the core of the Unix system loaded at the system startup. Okay, loaded at boot, memory, rest and control program. Okay, that manage the entire resource of the system, presents them to you and everyone user as the conquer system. Examples of kernel is managing the missing memory. It can manage scheduling, accomplish the transfer data, interrupting the executing instruction from the cell enforcement. So then we see cell. Cell is also inside the Linux. What cell is a command interpret. It takes each command and pass it to the operating system kernel to be attached upon. It then displays the result of the operation on your screen. The different users of cells are SH, C cell, cron cell, TC cell, cron again cell. And finally, each cell also includes its own programming language, command file called shell script are used to accomplish a series of tasks. At last, utility. Utility. Linux provides several hundred utility programs offer reference to the command. Accomplish unique functions. There are some unique functions: editing, file maintenance, printing, sorting, programming support on an info system. Okay. At last, modular. Single function can be grouped to perform some more tasks. Then we do model. We can see the difference between Linux and Windows. So price wise we see means free, dollar, not user friendly, user friendly, very reliable, often require reboot, Most enterprise level software, much larger section of software, best for multitasking. Multitasking is available. Okay, very secure, somewhat secure, open to public, uh, known and open source. Linux distribution, we can see the Linux distribution Red Hat, Set OS, Fedora, Ubuntu, like this. Linux user in these are the station US government agency, NASA, healthcare. These are the examples of Linux user. Bullet train in Japan, speed of 150 kilometers, traffic control and extra. Then we go to operating system. It is the basic operating system or OS is the software program that enables the computer hardware to communicate and operate with the computer system. Okay, OS is a software that enables computer hardware to communicate and operate the system. Without operating system, a computer hardware should unless work. In operating system, these are the operating system performance. We can see an example of operating system. We can see the Linux distribution, Red Hat, Microsoft Windows, Apple OS, Ubuntu, Google, Android OS. Okay, the operation performance is in it is used in multitask multitask operation, and it manages at the internal memory among the multi application. It handles input and output. Okay, input and output hardware device. It sends message to application and interactive users about the status of operation. Can send the message to each application. Then this part is contains what's operating system. This is part of operating system. Okay, and the various part of operating system is Unix and Unix-like operating system. Okay, the important part of the various part of operating systems means process management, memory management, hardware device drive, file system drive, network management, various other bit and pieces. This is the one important flowchart. First we see user level programs to enter. Okay, system call interface. This is normal process. This is kernel. System calls goes to virtual file system management, memory management, process management, attached network. Okay, various system drives. Attached network goes to TCP protocol device. Various system drives go divided into two parts: hard disk driver, floppy disk driver. PC means ether card, and then go to hardware. First of all, normal program, then finally hardware. Okay, at last the low level, the kernels contain hardware device driver of the each kind of hardware. It support. Okay. For example, we can see all device driver like reset of the kernel. They all have operation like initial the driver and read sector n and write sector. Okay, these are the overviews of section 1. Thank you.